everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Precious. This is my rescue Indianringneck Parrot. We found as a baby outside and he kept flying to my son, so we decided, since no one would claim him, and we tried and tried, so nobody claimed you. No? So you were supposed to be here, right? Okay. It was an itty bitty baby. Just would not leave my son alone. My son was going down the slide and he would just slide down the slide with him, and so we brought him home. Yeah, we did. We brought you home. Such a sweetheart. I know, you just want your head rubbed all the time. You do. Yeah, you. Oh, goodness sakes. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, uh-oh, why is that feather sticking up like that? He's molting, so, oh, there it goes. So he's shedding a lot of feathers. Yeah. Yeah, you like that? Yeah. Does that feel good? It does. It does, doesn't it? Oh my goodness sakes. Feels so good. Okay. Yeah, you're okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Precious.